Growing different plants from seeds requires many important cares, like right watering, right season, and a good quality seed starting soil mix. Use of good quality seed starter can boost the growth of tiny seeds up to 10 times. The chance of getting higher germination rate in a seed starting soil mix is more than any other soil mixture. Therefore, it is very important to provide a professional type of seed starting soil to seeds, so they can grow healthily and fastly. I am going to make a soil recipe for seeds that is very easily available and definitely boost the germination of different seeds. So let's start with some basic properties of a seed starting soil that you must have to add in your recipe. Your seed starting soil mix must have these qualities, then it works very efficiently and makes almost all of your seeds germinated. So for the first and the most important thing that a seed starting soil must have is the good drainage system. A well-draining soil mix is the medium that retains only the required amount of moisture into the soil and drains the extra moisture very fastly. Most of our seeds fails to germinate due to the attack of fungus. Fungus grows on a soil that have a very poor drainage system and where the water is blocked. So, don't let the water to stay into the soil for a very long time. Other quality of a seed starter mix is to have softness. It is important because when the seed gets moisture and ideal temperature, it starts to produce roots. And then it pushes the soil outwards to spread its leaves. But if the soil is not so much soft and became compact with time, then the seed doesn't get out of the soil and dies under the soil. Some seeds are very efficient and some are weak seeds that requires a lot more effort to grow, so it is also very important to choose good quality seeds. If you are going to grow older and weak seeds into this seed starting soil mix, then their germination rate will be very low. So choose only good quality seeds with a higher germination rate. I have figured out some good quality seeds in the description box below that you can buy. So the next important thing to make this seed starting soil mix is to have some nutrients into the soil. All of us knows plants requires nutrients to grow constantly. But if you are growing some seeds into a fertilizer-less medium, then they will germinate but their future growth will be very disturbed. So to keep the seedlings well growing, you must have to add multiple nutrients into the seed starting soil mix. I have made a detailed blog post on this topic that helps you to understand these points more clearly. The link of that article is added in the description box. You must check out that. And for now I have one more thing that is not so much important, but it may enhance the growth of seedlings. It mainly makes their immunity to fight with different diseases into the future. It is the porosity of the soil. If the medium have many air gaps, then the exchange of gases will be performed very efficiently, and it enhance the growth of seedlings to a next level. So it is also very important to keep the seed starting soil mix porous. So now let's make this seed starting soil mix that have all of these qualities and makes your germination super faster. For making this type of soil, I am using different ingredients that you can get very easily from the description box. I am not making any soil-less medium for starting the seeds, because the gardening soil medium have many micronutrients that enhance the immunity of small seedlings. At the start, the plant develops its immunity against many harmful and dangerous diseases, and the simple gardening soil helps this things a lot. I am using about 3 parts of soil that is fully dried. You have to spread the soil in the sunlight for at least 2 days to make it fully dried. You can also sterilize the soil in the flame, but it is little difficult for some people. So sunlight is the best source to make the soil free of every pest and insect. After sterilizing, stain the soil as I am doing. It helps to remove all type of different rocks and bigger pieces that are the hurdles in the germination of seeds. Your garden soil must not be so much hard, it must have some looseness. After that I am adding 2 parts of Cocopeat that is known to make the soil soft and porous. Adding Cocopeat into the seed starting soil mix is very important to make it loose, well draining, porous and soft. So must add 2 parts of Cocopeat into this. You can buy it from the description box also. The last ingredient is the compost that fulfills the nutritional value of the soil. Compost have many micronutrients that are very much responsible to keep the seedlings immune of many harmful diseases. You can also make it at home using kitchen wastes. The video link is added in the description and I button. You can check that later. Use about 1 part of compost into the seed starting soil mix. Mix all of these components properly, and our seed starting soil mix is ready to use for winter vegetables, flower seeds, and other seeds. I assure you that this seed starting soil medium is very effective for all type of seeds. You can grow different seeds except the adenium and cactus family seeds. You can grow summer season as well as winter season vegetable and flowering seeds into this seed starting soil mix. You can also store this mixture into a poly bag for a very long time. Hope the seed starting soil helps you to achieve higher germination rate from your seeds. For any question, comment below, and if you are interested to know about winter vegetables to grow from seeds, check out this video. Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified of my next video. Thanks for watching.